Hello, teacher Andrea. My name is María José López Bello from Animals. This is a dog, a dog. This is a duck. This is a horse. This is a rooster. This is a cow. This is a rabbit. This is a sheep. This is a cat. This is a hen. This is a pig. This is a cat. This is a cow. This is a horse. Thank you. Bye bye.